Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about an alternative to restoring wood. Everybody thinks that you need a pressure washer and that's how you restore wood, and you just kind of get the pressure washer on it. Well, even that's wrong, because pressure doesn't restore. And if you've seen my videos, any of the past videos, I'm sure you've probably seen that. So if you're going to use a pressure washer, you want to reduce the pressure changing tips, or use a soft wash method to kind of reduce that pressure to where you're under 1,000. Cedar shakes, 300 psi, 600, whatever, no more than 600 psi would be fine to rinse these with. But hey, suppose we don't want a pressure washer, and suppose we want to be careful with chemicals. We have a neighbor next door over here on the other side of this fence, and we want to be careful here, so we're going to restore this by hand, and we've done that back here. But you say, okay, well, how would you do that? It's got to take a long time. Not really, because if you use the right hoses or handles for your hoses, nozzles, you can use garden hose pressure and adjust the pressure from your gun, and you can rinse with that. You say, okay, well, how are you going to get it all off? Well, if you use the right product, usually most of them are surfactants. They lift it up off the surface, and it's really just a matter of agitation and rinsing. So we can use brushes. One of the things we use, a lot of people use the heavy nylon bristle brushes. I like a lot of people, I could do the Tim the Tool Man kind of guy thing, but we got toothbrushes, we got paint brushes, we got scrub brushes, we got this brush, we got that brush. When we're restoring wood, we kind of refer to 3 types of brushes. We usually do a heavy-duty brush or a coarse brush. We have a medium bristle brush, and we have a soft bristle brush. So the nylons are usually pretty heavy. So if you have deep grain in the wood, or raised grain, these things work really good in your agitation. Now you could do this with the hand after you've applied with a pump-up sprayer, however you're going to apply your restoration product. You can agitate with a brush, and then we also have them on handles, and again, it's a heavy bristle brush, and then you can just do it this way, and we can scrub the whole thing and agitate this, and it goes quick enough. You don't have to use a pressure washer. You don't have to, just one method. There's also media blasting, which is dry. I mean, there's a lot of ways to skin a cat. One can be by hand and doing it this way. Now, suppose the medium brush or strong bristle brush wasn't getting it. They do make others, which again, usually a medium bristle. We wouldn't use a soft bristle too much here. Soft bristle I might use on, this is a composite deck, I might use a soft bristle on that because I don't want to scratch it up or anything. Soft bristle brush I use to, we'll use to wash a vehicle. Even the pressure washer, you might rinse it over the pressure washer, but you'll use a soft bristle brush on your vehicle. For most wood restoration, we're going to use a medium bristle, okay? And you can see how much it's soft, much softer on the wood than the heavy bristle brush. But you're going to determine that depending on what you're trying to get off. So on this one, it was dark, it was gray, had a lot of growth. But the fact is, you don't always have to use a pressure washer, and that's the reason for the video. And then you use your nozzle, you'll rinse it off, so forth, and we'll call it a day. That's what we did here, and the wood came out nice. Customer's not complaining about this. If you look at this, does anybody know we pressure washed it or not? Was it more labor intensive? Yeah. Did they pay for it? Yeah. But we don't want stuff to go on the other side. The other people don't want it. That's usually how you have problems. You might have sensitive areas on anybody's property. This one just happens to be where it's right next to a home. They're townhomes here. They're all cedar shakes. But what happens if you have koi ponds and sensitive landscape and Japanese maple trees and that kind of stuff? They're very sensitive. You might have to do the same kind of thing. So working by hand can still be done. It's just thinking out of the box. And the other thing too is today, everybody's looking for the easy way out. Some things, it's a little harder, but it still gets the job done, and it's not that much harder at the end of the day. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, just giving you an alternative to restoring wood by hand and not using the pressure washer. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I got the Wizard of Wood from my peers in the industry, and being the Wizard of Wood, I provide education and have been for well over 20 years and over 10,000 contractors across the nation. So thank you for watching the video. I'm glad you are. But if you want more information and you want to become like the Wizard and have the knowledge that the Wizard has had and that teaches in classes, please visit www.wizardofwood.net. You will get our manual, we get our online classes and everything to help you take your career to another level. Thank you for watching the video.